Balak mo bang bumili ng laptop? Or kakabili mo lang ng laptop mo? Kung ganun, para sa'yo ang video na ito. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Hans, and this will be our second review video. Recently, I've purchased a laptop online through PC Express, and I bought a Lenovo Ideapad L340. At i-share ko sa inyo ang experience ko sa pag-purchase nito online. Obviously, hindi to sponsored video or hate video, but this is an online awareness video and review ng store, item, and tips. Now, to make things organized, this video will be divided into 4 parts. First is about the laptop. Kung kailan, paano, and magkano ko nabili yung laptop na ito. Second is the store review. Tulad ng nabanggit ko kanina, I bought this laptop with PC Express. And i-share ko sa inyo ang experience ko with them starting from the ordering transaction hanggang sa after sales transaction. And kung sulit and okay ba talaga bumili sa shop na ito. Next is to test your new laptop. Mapag-brand nyo man yan or second hand. Importante ito. And in a few minutes, we will run a set of tests. We will check if everything in this laptop is completely working. Lastly, is I'll be sharing with you some useful tips for you to successfully purchase your gadgets online, especially ngayong quarantine. Nabili ko ang laptop na ito last May 24, which is of course still under the community quarantine dito sa Metro Manila. And dahil it's really a need for me to buy a new laptop, given na nag-work from home ako, and investment na rin sa pag-video editing and vlogging, wala tayong choice but to purchase online. Everything online, including the mode of payment. The SRP of a Lenovo Ideapad L340 is ranging from 40,000 to 50,000. Merong mga 41, may 44, may 51 ako mga nakita, and may mga promo na 36. But with PC Express, nabili ko lang ito for just 32,000 with freebies pa. Isang 1 terabyte na Seagate external HDD and yung Slingbag niya. Konting backstory lang guys. I actually considered buying a second-hand MacBook Pro. Pero since mataas or mahal ang maintenance and Mac devices, sinuggest ng aking kuya na bumili na lang ako ng mga Windows laptops dun sa mga stores na nakikita sa mall tulad ng Acer, Asus, Lenovo, Vilman, Silicon Valley, Gigahertz, PC Express, at marami pang iba. Upon comparing the prices and offers, pinakasulit na nakita ko ay ang kay PC Express. So I started inquiring and asking a lot of questions. Of course, hindi mawawala yung trust issue dahil hindi natin ma-check muna yung item personally. Kaya okay lang na magtanong ng magtanong dahil right din naman natin yun as customers. Based with my PC Express experience, responsive naman sila. Pero honestly, na naging tricky yung transaction, and I was not wrong. Naging tricky yung transaction. I was completely drawn sa offer nila na ito. But I was surprised na dumating yung item na unsealed and not brand new as I expected. Dahil upon checking the laptop, I discovered na demo laptop pala ang inisyu nila sa akin without my knowledge. And hindi naman stated sa post nila. Paano ko nasabi? Tignan nyo to. When I learned about this, immediately, I reported this directly to PC Express, hoping that they would respond and resolve this as soon as possible. I asked for a replacement, walang nangyari. Unfortunately, hindi nila inadmit na demo laptop yung unit na binigay nila sa akin. Then, sinend ko ito. Right ko pala eh. Thanks. Mamaya, malalaman nyo kung bakit I still decided to keep this laptop. Yung unit naman, madaling palitan eh. Pero yung unprofessional and unfair business practices, kailangan i-workout yan. I learned my lesson. And if you are a seller, I hope you also learn how important it is to do business in a responsible way. And if you are a buyer, I hope you get the courage to speak out and report issues na na-experience nyo. I was disappointed sa ginawa nila and not disclosing things properly, and even the after sales transaction and how the manager dealt with this issue. Kaya transaction and communication wise or overall rating ko sa shop na ito is 1/5. Ngayon naman, it's unboxing time. First test is the boot test. So, dapat mag-on yung laptop mo. And initially, kapag brand new yung laptop mo, dapat merong setup. In my case, nireformat ko, kaya meron ako. Second is the port and accessories. So, syempre, dapat mong i-check kung gumagana yung charger and kung nag-charge yung laptop. Then, i-check mo ang ibang mga ports. Dapat gumagana silang lahat. Keypad and button test. Dito, kailangan natin buksan yung notepad. And pindutin lahat ng keys sa keyboard, and dapat lahat ng characters ay tama. And kailangan din natin malaman kung gumagana lahat ng function keys. And if may backlight feature ang keyboard nyo, i-test nyo rin. Screen test. Dito, kailangan mo i-click yung link na pre-provide ko sa description box. Then, i-run mo yung Deadpixel test and backlight bleeding test. So, if may nag-fail dyan, kung kunyari mayroong dot or dead pixel or mayroong backlight bleeding, pwede mong ibalik yan dahil internal defect yan. Laptop specification test. Dito, kailangan natin buksan yung task manager and i-click yung performance tab. And dito, kailangan parehas yung in-order mo na specs dun sa actual na ini-indicate ng laptop mo. And if merong dedicated graphics card yung in-order mo, dapat ang makikita mo ay dalawang GPU na naka-indicate.
You are here, working in this place. I worship you. I worship you.
Battery report. Dito kailangan natin buksan yung command prompt and i-type ang power cfg /battery report. And automatically, masisave ito sa drive C Windows System 32. And bubuksan nyo ito using your browser. Dito, makikita nyo yung cycle count and battery history ng laptop nyo. In my case, makikita nyo na may battery log siya noong February at March. And also, mayroon siyang cycle count, which is 4. Diba? Questionable. Boot up speed test. Dito, malalaman natin kung SSD or HDD ba ang laptop mo. Dahil kung 5 to 10 seconds lang nag-boot up ang laptop mo, panigurado SSD yan. Pero if inabot ka ng 30 seconds to 1 minute, average ay siguro HDD yung laptop mo. And for the performance review, wala pa kasi masyado tong games and mga applications, kaya hindi ko pa mabibigyan ng full review yung performance nito, pero just like this video or comment down below para malaman ko. And para sa huling part, i-share ko naman sa inyo ang ilang tips on how to purchase a laptop wisely. Know the reason for your purchase. Is it for video edit? Work from home? Second is be specific to your preferred specs. Kasi baka naman bumili ka ng laptop na may specs na hindi necessary. Tapos, lagpas pa sa budget mo. Third is to know your desired laptop's market value. Fourth is to look for good offers and promos. Lastly, ask for computer experts for advice. Sa panahon ngayon, napakaraming scammers and too good to be true na offers. So, wag agad-agad maniniwala. And, wag mahiyang magtanong. It's better safe than sorry. Diba? That's it for this video, guys. So if you find this video informative and helpful, please like, comment, and share this video. Huwag nyo rin kalimutan mag-subscribe and to hit the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod naming vlogs. Thanks for watching. See ya!